I hope you are all healthy and safe. I am Arun Kumar. I am working as a librarian in Mjpapbcwr school Samanasa, Amalapuram. Students becomes the most important asset of the school. Without students, schools and teachers are nothing. However, it is also true that a student is nothing or incomplete without a good teacher. So both are equal responsible for each other's significance. We cannot say that only teachers play great role in the student's life alone. However, students also play great role in making the value and importance of a teacher. So both needs equal participation in shaping the student's career. A good student can do nothing in the absence of a good teacher. And a teacher feels bad luck when he does not get a good student. It is teacher's responsibility that he has to bring a student on the right track. So today we are going to teach about 10th class lesson carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. Carbon, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the cosmetics we use, the fuels we use to run automobiles are all the compounds of carbon. So carbon was discovered in prehistory and it was known as to insects. They used to manufacture charcoal by burning organic material. Let us know about the carbon. Carbon is a non-metal. It belongs to the 14th group or 4th A group in the modern periodical table. Carbon, non-metal. It belongs to 14th group or 4A group in the modern periodical table. The elements of this group have 4 electrons in the valency shell. Carbon atomic number is 6. Carbon atomic number is 6. And electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. To get the octet rule, in its outer shell, it has to gain 4 more electrons to form C4 minus. Its nucleus has only 6 protons. Nucleus has only 6 protons. Carbon have 6 protons only. Therefore, it would be difficult for a nucleus with protons to hold 10 electrons. Hence, carbon cannot form C4 minus ions so easily. If carbon loses 4 electrons from the outer shell, it has to form C4 plus ions. This has huge amount of energy which is not available normally. Therefore, C4 plus formation also is remote possibility. Carbon has to satisfy its tetravalency by sharing electrons with other atoms. It has to form 4 covalent bonds either with its own atoms and atoms of other elements. As per valency bond theory, the 4 unpaired electrons in a carbon atom are shown by suggesting excited state to carbon atom. So, ground state electronic configuration of carbon is ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It belongs to 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 or 2pz1. Z0. But excited state electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Okay, carbon excited state, we have to understand that free carbon atom would not be in excited state under normal conditions. In excited state, carbon atom gets its one of the two s electron to 2pz. Each carbon atom has 4 unpaired electrons when excited. We have found that in excited state, carbon atoms has 3 unpaired electrons in p orbital and 1 electron in s orbital. This is s orbital, 1, p orbital also 1. So it's 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Okay? When the carbon atom tends to form 4 covalent bonds with other atoms, the energy required for excitation is taken up from bond energies. Suppose methane. For example, methane. Methane CH4. CH4. One carbon says 4 electrons with 4 different hydrogen atoms. One each of different hydrogen atoms. It shows carbon is tetravalent because it possesses 4 valency electrons, and hydrogen is monovalent because it has only 1 valency electron. Hydrogen only 1 valency electron has. Okay? So next, promotion of electrons. Promotion of electrons means when bonds are formed, energy is released and the system becomes more stable. So s orbital and p orbital different. The energy difference between the 2s and 2p orbital is very small. When carbon atom is ready to form bonds, it gets a small amount of energy from bond energies and get excited. To promote an electron from the 2s to the empty 2p to give 4 unpaired electrons. And finally, in this lesson, we have to know one of the great scientists, Linus Pauling, the world's one of the greatest scientists and great humanist. He was acknowledged as the most influential chemist. He is the only person to receive 2 unshared Nobel Prizes for chemistry 1954 and for peace 1962. Do you know the concept of hybridization was introduced by Linus Pauling in 1931. So what is hybridization? The redistribution of orbitals of almost equal energy in individual atoms to give equal number of new orbitals with identical properties like energy and shape is called hybridization. Hybridization means the redistribution of orbitals of almost equal energy in individual atoms to give equal number of new orbitals with identical properties like energy and shape is called hybridization.